The Karbi Farmers Association West Karbi Anglong District held a dharna on Wednesday in demand of the immediate and unconditional release of its president, Avinash Ronghang, who was arrested and sent to prison by the district administration for holding protests against the peace accord. The farmers' organization held the protest to pressurize the authority for the early release of the president, which the organization charged as misuse of power and a gross violation of democratic rights and freedom of citizens. The West Karbi Anglong District KFA Unit President Durgeswar Ingti warned that failure to release the president will force them to take up stronger democratic agitation, and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang would be held accountable for any unnecessary situation that may arise from it. The West Karbi Anglong District KFA Unit President also urged upon the KAC CM for withdrawal of all charges slapped against their president.
Niltumpini Karbi Farmers Association Hamren District Committee lo West Karbi Anglong District Committee Niltumpini dak demonstration donang kok bangke Niltum ake hai Niltum President Avinash Ronghang han immediately alang lihan release nang po lasi jongsi alang lihan release le punte nitum democratic always pen pusitame nitum chesong nang kok po pusipini kadokawe hanta nalitum atrupen papachini nang kok lo non central government pen la 6 arms group la tum jitu peace accord kache tok la peace accord kache tok long bangke niltum thang pudun asonave la bangke mesen pusi niltum che theklong lo sitame hola 10 seats jitu tamane open for all pula bangke niltum masapso la bangke ning oi hoi puason si niltum chepaklang iklo ama la si niltum ta puiklo.
Meanwhile, the Nilip branch of the KFA has also vehemently demanded the release of Avinash Ronghang. They were joined by all Nilip Youth Association in a press meet held at around 4 p.m. on Wednesday. During the press conference, the organization's express has strongly condemned the arrest of KFA Avinash Ronghang and said that his arrest is a violation of democratic rights of an individual. The press meet was attended by Nilip KFA Head Branch President Bikram Togbi, social worker Bilison Terang, Sujit Timung, Benting Terang, and 25 other associates. The youth group had urged that the Law and Order Authority for unconditional release of Avinash at the earliest.
Kacetok na telam donalong kecok ci pajok mi pai porni akai Avinash Ronghang bang ni kang samse cipaklang ko asila suni kang samse cipaklang along alang lefan hem kang sam ke thap thot bangke la bangke chokche padem bangke longri lapen khaya joini kache song phongtin along songjap po tumhan aphong hem kang sam ke thapa bangke ington iknon pusinili chuningi poniglo lapen ke akai Avinash Ronghang pan hem kang sam along pen prabjin enam kilo ponje pansi nangli tumhan chuningi papeglo kardong
Nitum kacim hon parsar Avinash Ronghang phan adai ka bipin pen hemang samang tapin ho hoso butha nitum ningkang samse cipaklang lo asli nitum KFA nili baru abi tum pen nitum chuning rilo KAC agai sa tuliram Ronghang phan same tong prabjin pen nitum phan sar Avinash Ronghang phan nang lu pi nang ji kusi nitum nili baru KFA Hinben Chunili Patpiglo Karo.
Mohan Teron from Pelangpi and Samson Ingti from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.